Hi everyone, this is Waiting here, and I gonna demonstrate how to use this rating calculator. So I just assume this is the calculator for the underwriter. So first the underwriter may input his name and then his date, just to make it clear like who filled this document and then when he filled the document. Okay, next the underwriter should enter the base rate, and in our case the base rate is 500, and our amount of insurance is 215,000. And once we input the amount of insurance, the rate will pop up immediately. So since I use the roundout function, so you can enter the value whatever you want, and it will round up, and then to find the mapping table. And next, you can choose the territory, and in this case, we have 4. And then as the last one, once you choose the value, the rate will pop up. And next, we can choose the concentration type, which is friend right here. And then the protection class is 7. And here's something you might want to know. So once you change the concentration type, the rate here will be different. So because I use a VLOOKUP right here, and yeah, here is a trick. Actually there is a number over here, and it's 2 and 3. And next, you can choose the underwriting tier, and in this case it's C. And deductible credit in this case is 1,000. And in this case, this is a new home, so it will have a new home discount. So we just tick yes. And the current discount as well is yes. And in this example, they don't have the mutual policy discount, so it's no. And if you choose yes, then the rate will be different. Yeah. And here's the optional, and you can optional choose, do you want general coverage or not. So if you choose yes, then you will have to enter the value of limit, which is this 3. And in this case, the policyholder wants the coverage for 5,000, so which is here, this one. And also you want the liability medical coverage for 300,000 divided by 1,000, which is this one. Yeah, and here's the trick. If you just choose no here, then it will hide the row 19, and then the value of the rate will be 0. Like even you choose this one, and then it will hide. And also then here, if you choose no, the value of the rate will be 0, and then it will hide the row number 21. Yeah. And also you can choose the expense fee. If it is yes, then it's 50, and if no, it's 0. Okay. So the premium will be 484. Oh, sorry, the concentration type is friend. So the final premium will be $501. And to be more user friendly, you can check the form before you output. Let's say if you forget to input one value right here, and then when we click check form, and it will output a message box say please input all the required values, and then this cell will be red one. And then once you choose every required value, then you can click this one, and then it will print it out as a PDF file, and then you can just print it out, and the underwriter can take this paper to the customer. Yeah. And there is another tip for this rater. Since the expense fee is optional, so even if you don't input this one, it will still work. But if you let's say if you don't input every of this one, the cells will be red, and then you have to input the value in the red cell. Yeah. Now you can play around with this if you want. So here is the VBA code. It looks like this. This is for the hiding row number 19 and row number 21. And yeah, this one is for hiding and lock the row number 19 and 21. And this is a code for check the input value, and also print out the PDF file. So here is so this is all my presentation, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any other questions or suggestions.